There's an incredible amount of new development going on in central New York. There's new industries coming in, growth happening, manufacturing, water, wastewater, roads, electrical utilities, electrical supplies, alternative energy sources, solar, wind, PFAS issues, contamination. What's interesting is geosynTech has a lot of experts, a lot of PhDs, masters, and licensed individuals for engineering and geology. And those experts are in groundwater remediation, site development, geotechnical engineering, infrastructure, and water and wastewater. I think geosynTech coming into this arena is critical for the community because we have those specialties.